Right everyone, this is system test 52 of my farm system. I'm trying to clean out the basement. The CCTV camera's moved there. Some old boxes I found. That's a new CCTV camera I got, which is extremely cheap. That's going to be installed outside soon. There's my current one, just monitoring the front. This system is the same as a lamp cover, light cover, mostly the same. I don't think I've made any changes. I've been quite busy. I've actually put this camera here, so if it's ever raining or heavily raining, I've sealed up most during there. I'll maybe dry it out. So through there, since it's infrared, I can watch. I got that like 99p off eBay, dead cheap. Anyway, I got on with the system test. So, panel long walk test. There's another video play. I'm getting a digital DVR. Hopefully, there's some old ones. Probably selling one of them, or using it as a backup. Probably backup. 2 minutes. Right, there we go. Why do we even need my test skis for this one? Grab spray. Our panel reset, you can keep it going off. I think I sprayed it when the panel was still resetting. But there we go. A bit of dust on it. This one is going to set off. Oh man. Set off. Got back that. Right, that's it reset. Yes, that was system test 52 of the fan system. Everything drying out the basement, dehumidified the fan. And thanks for watching.